Woosah.
Woosah. Wait,
What
you
do
gotta
you?
rub it yourself.
Oh, right. Woosah. I'm gonna start every video like that now.
Yes.
Hi, it's me, LittleAntiqueMe. It's Elizabeth, and this is my beautiful friend Kara. Today we're going to do the Messy Mom Bun because I don't know how. It's really sad,
I don't know how you've gotten this far in mom life without having a messy bun
right?
in your arsenal.
My
of hair.
8 years of mom life, and I love the smoothed back thing, but I just need a messy bun
I got
because
you.
we're making another video, but I can't tell you about that one because it's a surprise. But it's gonna be epic.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be epic. Okay, so Kara is taking over from here. She's going to tell me / show me, hopefully, how to do a messy bun. You ready?
Ready.
Let's do
this.
it. What do I do?
Okay.
Tell me my way.
So to start your mom bun, whatever it is in your house, you will need basically, I was gonna say 2 tools, but I guess 3 tools because you need your hands. Hands, some kind of hairband. I like the Invisibobble because you can do a lot with it. You can tuck like ends and stuff back into it with fewer bobby pins, and I feel like it just holds the bulk, especially if you have really thick hair. It holds the bulk of it all in one spot. But with finer hair, it still works amazing, and I just love these. And it's really easy on your hair because my hair breaks really easily, so it's very gentle with your hair. And you need bobby pins. I only use 4. I have a lot of hair. It's very fine in texture, but there's quite a bit of it. But with this technique, you don't need many bobby pins, which is great because less time on this, the better, while your kids are destroying things in silence and you're freaking out.
That's right. While I'm hiding.
Yeah.
Potentially in the bathroom.
Potentially.
Potentially.
Okay, so to start, use your first tool, your hands, and just kind of rake. No, I just put it there for the moment. You don't have to have it there. No.
Okay.
Just get your hair kind of up. I recommend not brushing first. This kind of enhances the messy technique, and you can get some kind of cool texture because the point of this is to not have it slicked back. Get in the mirror. And I like mine to have a little bit of poof to it. I don't want it really pulled back. So I always kind of go back in. I'm looking in the mirror. Go back in and just kind of pull it forward so it's not super tight. And just finger raking it through. Yeah, poofage somehow just makes it feel, that's totally a word. Poofable.
Got poofable hair.
All the poofy things are good.
My hair.
Eating your poofy hair
My poofy hair just
can get too poofed. Be careful. Don't over poof your bun.
okay.
So just kind of run your fingers through it so it looks like it's like right here. I like how it kind of has like that texture through it to it.
It's not too smooth.
Yep. Get it all in a ponytail at the top. And don't worry about all of your hair being up. You can pull any pieces out towards the end. Put your hair tool, whatever you're using, Invisibobble in my case, around it once and give it a twist. Then I just kind of poof all of the hair like up towards the front, keeping it out over here. Yep. Then grab all of it with the hand that has your Invisibobble or hairband and pull it to the other side. Twist it over here and then put it back over the top. Now you can see it's standing up and looking a little bit wacky. So you can take your ends that are over here and wrap them whichever direction you want to kind of cover the Invisibobble. And with the Invisibobble, if that's what you have, or a hair tie, you can literally just tuck it into a side of it there. You don't even have to bobby pin that part. The bobby pins come into play here in making it not look like it's too tall. I just kind of like to shape it a little bit, and like this is falling out a tiny bit. So I just grab a little bit of hair and just kind of shove it there.
Oh my goodness.
And then you just kind of shape it a little bit
I think I've
how you want.
been overthinking this my entire
That
life.
you know, genuinely, that is mainly the problem with messy buns, is it just gets overthought. It's too much.
Growing up, I did ballet, so all of my buns had to be
Yes,
sleek and
perfect.
bun had to be
Same.
perfect. And so it's like now the thought of making a messy bun makes me almost like go, I don't know how to do that. I can slick it back and make it beautiful.
But now we're poofing it and we're making it messy. And so it's there. So now you can pull, if it got too tight in spaces or it got flat or weird in some spots, you can literally just hold like the mass of the bun and just pull little pieces out. Can you see from the side there? get that kind of poofy, soft, messy. I just threw it up. I also feel sometimes with my hair, it looks a little like, not like vomiting, but I threw it in an upward motion. Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
I feel like,
serious.
I know, right? My hair, I feel like it almost gets like kind of an Austin-esque look to it when I get it, the poofing just right, but it's like messy, but it's still kind of classy almost in a way.
Well, when you first came today, you had those little wisps around the front.
Yep.
Super
So
Austin.
this is the part where you pull any little pieces. If you have bangs or any kind of face framing, that's really nice, which she gave me amazing face framing. No one else cuts my hair, just this gal, because she kills it every time.
Stop.
You just know my hair.
Stop.
So you just pull out whatever little tiny pieces that you want, and if you pull out too much, you can just take a bobby pin and stick it back up in there because it's messy and it doesn't matter. And that is how I do my messy mom bun. And I only had 4 bobby pins. I still have 1 extra. This is 3 bobby pins in this messy bun.
You always store
and
one up there.
it's not going anywhere.
That's fantastic.
Kids
Okay,
can rip on it. It's solid.
Should I
Kids
try?
do it.
Okay, here we go.
Sit.
Oh, today is definitely a messy bun day.
Oh, you're so
Okay.
pretty. Stop. What are you talking about? Gorgeous. No, I won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop.
Well, stop, can't stop. That's why you need a friend like Kara. She just can't stop, won't stop.
Ever.
She loves you.
Never. Always. I do.
Okay, so I'm pulling this all up,
Mm-hmm.
and then the back too.
Yep.
Oh, ow.
All of it up.
Okay, so it was,
Try not to maim yourself before your day really starts.
or
But
elbow your friend in the face, you know.
yeah,
okay.
I've taken a hit to the face before. I have kids.
This
It
is
happens.
True. This is true. Life.
Right.
Happens. Okay, see now I'm already wanting to like.
Nope. Nope.
I won't do it.
If
I
you
won't
want to, quote unquote, smooth it,
Yeah.
you are allowed to rake your fingers through,
Okay.
separate it.
All
Keep
right,
your
and then
fingers
that
separate.
poof. Is that good poof?
Yes. That is, gosh, your hair poofs really nicely. Because you've trained it well. It knows how to
It's
poof.
that trainage.
It's got good trainage to the poofage.
I missed that. I gotta put my hair bobble on the other side. I can't do. Can you pull a hair bobble from your other hand? Have you ever thought about that? I can't.
Oh,
Terrible.
I don't know if I've tried. I feel like I probably could, but I don't think I ever intentionally would.
Awkward. My hair bobble always has to be on my left side. Okay.
Because you know where you're pulling from.
Too much. Too much. Poof.
You can also put it into, if you don't want to poof it up beforehand, if you feel like it's weird, you can put your hair tie Invisibobble in first, and then after you kind of tighten it, you can pull pieces out at the end as
Alright.
well. So
Now-
no pressure on the poof.
Pressure. So now I'm just gonna grab it like that.
Yep,
Oh boy. All right. This
you got
feels-
it.
This feels wrong.
Killing it. No, that's exactly right. What happened? No, you can still work with it. It just got a little bit looser somehow.
This is my 90s do.
It's amazing. Yeah, just leave it.
Yes, this is my you know, I don't know. I think
It's like trying to faux hawk out up there. It's kind of great.
Okay, so I'm gonna bobby for this, right? Oh,
Yep.
Oh snap.
And you can take, no, you're doing good. So see how you've got like some loose ends that are
Yeah.
coming out here? You can literally take those and just tuck it up
behind.
into, yes, grab this piece. I'm gonna have you do it. Because if I teach you how to do it, then you've got it.
I can do
And just, yep, tuck it into one of the wraps of the Invisibobble.
Okay, I think I get it. Oh, look at that.
So it's already better. I like it how when the ends kind of come around the front and kind of create that cool little
Extra
swoop shape. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna get this guy because he's kind of. How is it that brushing out a 1950s set stresses me out? But
Because you do that all the time.
this is true.
You're killing it. It's looking really good.
Thank you.
And I will say too, I've been doing this specific messy bun technique with my hair for probably like a year and a
That's
half.
still your bobby pin. I'm sorry.
No, mine is still
Oh,
here,
okay,
but
so
it
I'm
is
still at
yours to
4.
use if
I'm
you
still
want.
at
You're
4
still
bobby
at
pins.
4. I did use closer to like 6 to 8 when I first started. You're amazing. No, it looks really good. Yes, it does. Yep. Nope. And for me, it's always I pull little pieces out on the side because for some reason when you get a good poof on the front, but you neglect your
Oh, that
sides,
was a long piece.
then it gets, yep. And if you pull it out and you're just like, nope, you can just stick it back up in there.
Look at that. That one's pretty though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yours have such nice little cute curl to them. Mm-hmm. They're amazing.
Do you like it?
Okay,
Can I do it?
so for being your first messy bun ever, it's adorable. Like, you nailed it. Go!
Woo, woo. Messy bun dance.
You had no idea that
Did you know
you
you were
were
a
a Mom
hero?
Bun Pro.
I didn't.
You did it.
did it.
And it looks great. How are you feeling about it? Do you feel confident that you
Yes.
could do it again?
I could totally do this again.
It's
I
super
overthink
simple.
It. I
Yep.
think I told you that before. Like, I think I want it to be perfect. And then I overthink it. And then I'm just like Look at my ballet bun.
Yep.
That's not what I was going for. It's fantastic. Look, can you see that?
Yeah, it looks really good. Everything is all up. It's appropriately messy without looking like
Appropriately messy.
rat's nest messy. Well,
I
because
didn't
there's
roll
bad
out of bed
messy.
like this. Maybe I did.
But nobody has to know you didn't. You could pretend you did and just be like, my hair just does this.
You don't wake up like this in the morning? You wake up like this. This is what she looks like. She wakes up in the morning.
Actually, pretty much.
Pretty much. Thank you so much for watching my mom bun. My mom bun challenge video. No, it's not a challenge.
I kind of challenged
you
you.
challenged
You
me.
asked and I said challenged accepted.
This
So
is
I feel
true.
like this is kind
is
of
true. I asked her to show me how to, or actually to do it on my head, and then she was like, I can do better. I can show you how to do it. I said, let's make a video. And she was like, okay.
I happen to already have a bun in my hair
was
when she
beautiful.
asked me, so it was meant to
It
be.
was meant to be. So thank you for watching our silly, fun mom bun video. I'm going to say mum bun for the rest of the day.
Do it.
It's going to happen.
Yep.
And I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions on something that you would like us to try again, or for Kara to teach me, she should probably do my makeup. She's fantastic. You should do that. You can check her out on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
It's inspiredradiance_ by Kara.
We'll leave that below for you because I will forget to spell all that. It might be up here or over there. I don't know. Depends on how much room. Yay! And we will see, or I will see you next time. I hope you have a great week. May God bless you and keep you this week. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye! This is my beautiful friend Kara. She is here today to help me with my mum. Where did we just go? Did we just go to London?
Oh, we're in Europe
Oh,
now.
we're in Europe. Okay, we're going to do our messy mum bun today.
Doing a mum bun.
Our mum bun. We'll go to get a spot of tea later. And I just
lovely.
think that's just a lovely idea, don't you?
Sounds absolutely fantastic.
Smashing.
Delightful.
We did that quite well.
We really did. Look, let's go.
We should just keep going like that.
Right, the whole video.
The whole video.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Oh, I feel weird. I don't have any tabs. I'm lost. Okay.
You're wireless. What?
Wireless. I'm Wi-Fi. No, Bluetooth.
You're Wi-Fi. Well, Wi-Fi, I guess,
It's
could
not
be still wireless.
Wireless.
We're not dial-up anymore, so you're not on. What does Wi-Fi stand for? I don't even know.
Okay.
Siri, what does Wi-Fi stand for?
This is a trademark term. As a noun, it means a facility allowing computers, smartphones, or other devices to connect to the internet or communicate with one another wirelessly within a particular area.
You're the mum
Mum pro. I don't want to be a mum bum pro. That's a whole nother category, and we don't need a video on that.
Mum buns. Sounds like an
Mum bun.
exercise. That should be an exercise. Like your mum squat.
It's an aerobics, like.
Mum bun.
It's a jazzercise move. Is the mum bun?
Let's get those mum buns going. Come on.
Up on your step. Squat.
Squat.
Keep breathing.
Oh goodness.
Oh man. How
I did it. Yes. I have succeeded in making the man bun. That's another video.
that's a different technique, but it's not completely unsimilar.
This is true.
So
This is true.
another video for another time.